Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the latest EdBot release 4.1 9.07. So I have zip connected. Essentially with this latest release, you can send a big packet. By that means you can see here, I can set up the motor speed for port 1 and port 2 at the same time. Actually, you can do port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4 also if needed. But I only have two regular continuous motor here. So in this example here, the Dream robot will follow the line. And if I present an obstacle in front of it, it will turn right and go back the other way. So let's see if it's working here. Let's try it. So checking along, okay. It had to go very slow as compared to a task code. Oh no, coming back. It's having a struggling, you can see it struggle a bit of time. So sharp corner like that, oops, it missed it. So let's get back here. Okay. Somewhat of a struggle here. So let's see. Okay, come back. Here we go. So supposedly when it hit frontal obstacle, it's swing to the right, coming back, pick up the other way. Struggling. Come back. So having a tough time here. Let's try over here. So this is very sensing and actuating very high feedback. So it's hard of it. Not bad that spot there. Let's try this one. Turn right, turn right until it's find the track again. You stay on it. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna stop that one. So I'm going to try it again, but this time using Python here. So you see a little bit of Python. And main thing is in here. So I'm going to try it again.
I am Zeeb and I am going to follow the black line and avoid any frontal obstacle.
Okay, here we go again. Very good. So it's about the same performance. Let's see if it can handle that 90-degree turn there or not. Let's see. Oh, missed it.